In this video, we will walk you through the installation of Feeney CableRail Conceal Kits in a wood railing frame. Conceal Kits offer a sleeker, lower-profile alternative to our original CableRail kits. Here we have an L-shaped wood railing frame with double corner posts, wood intermediate posts, and Feeney stainless steel pickets. Be sure to follow the recommendations on our website to ensure your frame is strong enough to withstand the tension loads of cable rail infill. Be sure to consult local building codes for all railing construction requirements in your area. Prior to beginning installation, verify that you have all the required conceal kits for your installation. Thoroughly review the conceal installation instructions before you start. Each CableRail conceal assembly includes a length of 1/8 inch diameter cable with a conceal terminal pre-attached to one end. The kit also includes a conceal receiver and a quick connect conceal fitting. You will also need stainless steel flat washers. Conceal end caps and decorative bushings are optional accessories. Your order may also include isolation bushings if your project is in a harsh environment. You will need the following tools for your installation. Please note the 5/32 inch T-handle hex wrench shown has been specially designed for CableRail conceal installation. Drill 29/64 inch holes through both termination posts using a brad point drill bit. You can prevent tear out by drilling from both sides. Drill 3/16 inch diameter holes in the intermediate posts and 1/4 inch holes in the corner posts for protector sleeves. Feeney intermediate pickets come pre-drilled. If you are using protector sleeves, insert them into all holes now and tap them in with a mallet. If you are using decorative bushings, insert them into the holes on the inside face of termination post B. The decorative bushings for post A will be inserted later in the next step. Start by performing steps 2 through 12 for the top and bottom cables only. Once completed, repeat steps 2 through 12 for the remaining cables. This is required to preload the frame and ensures adequate take-up for all cable assemblies. Lace the free end of the cable through termination post A. If you are using decorative bushings, thread one onto the cable before continuing through the intermediate posts and pickets. We recommend using a Feeney cable lacing needle. Finish by lacing the cable through termination post B. Leave the conceal terminal exposed at one end. Thread the conceal receiver onto the conceal terminal, leaving approximately 3/16 of an inch of threads exposed. For cable runs over 40 feet, leave approximately 1/4 inch of threads exposed. Push the conceal receiver fully into termination post A. Pull the cable tight through termination post B to remove slack in the cable. Mark the cable on the outside face of termination post B using a felt tip marker. Pull the conceal receiver through termination post A and unthread it from the conceal terminal. Use cable cutters to trim the other end of the cable at the mark made in the previous step. Reinsert the free end of the cable through termination post B, allowing 6 to 8 inches to protrude. Put a flat washer on over the end of the cable. Insert the free end of the cable at termination post B as far as it will go into the conceal quick connect fitting. Pull the cable assembly so that the conceal quick connect fitting slides back into termination post B and reinsert the conceal terminal into termination post A. Since the cable was trimmed, the conceal terminal will only insert partway into the post. Slide a flat washer onto the conceal receiver and insert the receiver into termination post A, turning it clockwise to engage the threads on the conceal terminal inside the post. Continue threading the conceal receiver onto the conceal terminal until the receiver is up against the face of the post. You won't be able to see the fittings as you do this, so be careful to stop if you feel resistance to avoid cross-threading. We are now ready to begin tensioning the cables with the special CableRail Conceal tools. Insert the Conceal Star Driver tool into a 9/16 inch end on a ratcheting box wrench. Insert the T-handle hex wrench through the hole in the Conceal Star Driver tool and the conceal terminal. Engage the T-handle hex wrench into the mating hex end of the conceal terminal. Then align and fully seat the Conceal Star Driver tool into the star pattern on the conceal receiver. Tension the cable by slowly rotating the ratcheting box wrench clockwise while holding the T-handle hex wrench in a fixed position. After the slack in the cable has been removed by initial tensioning on all cables, swiftly hit each cable line with your palm several times to ensure that the jaws and the quick connect are securely seated. Continue tensioning each cable until the desired tension is reached, but take care to avoid over-tensioning the cables. Once the desired cable tension is reached, the conceal caps can be placed into the concealed terminals and the conceal quick connect fittings. The rubber O-ring on the conceal cap may require lubrication. You may use soapy water. If retensioning is required in the future, use the cap removal tool and repeat the tensioning process. Now repeat steps 2 through 12 for the rest of the CableRail Conceal Kits. Before you begin, please note the recommended tensioning sequence to help minimize stress on the railing frame and easily adjust uniform tension across all the cables. Start at the top cable and alternate until all cables are tightened. Your railing is complete. Please visit our website or call us if you have any questions. Send in your railing photos for the chance to win cash prizes.